Hello, my name is Mehdi Hassan Rumi. I am currently pushing my BSc in Textile Engineering at the Hotel International University with a strong passion for innovation, teamwork, and continuous learning. My goal is to become a textile skill engineer in a multinational company. My academic journey began at Sabah Laboratory School and College, followed by my SSC at Afazuddin School and College. Now at DIU, I am focusing on developing both knowledge and real world experience as a textile engineer. I am known for my communication, leadership, and problem solving abilities that thrive in creative environments and enjoy working, collaborating to bring fresh ideas to life. I am also proficient in digital tools and have a strong organizational skill. I am also a proud member of Ichalo, an NGO that supports underprivileged communities, especially ensuring children's access to education and basic needs. Being part of the initiative has deeply inspired my commitment to social responsibility. I have volunteered at major campus events like the Textile Carnival, Job Shop, and even served as a food coordinator at the third Textile Alumni Reunion in 2023. These roles has strengthened my event management and coordination skills. I am fluent in both Bangla and English, which helps me contact with diverse groups and collaborate effectively in multinational environments. I am enthusiastic about the future and excited to contribute my knowledge, skill, and energy to a dynamic team. Thank you for watching my video. I look forward to new challenges and opportunity. And